Namaste to all, myself Reshma. Let's talk about the three Nobel Prize winner in economics 2025 and their work. Imagine you have a big box of building blocks. Mr. Joel Mokyr is like a curious kid asking, why didn't people long ago have all our cool things? He found that long ago, people made new things but didn't know why they worked. Once we learn the secret recipe behind them, we can make even better things. That's why Joel Mokyr said, knowing why helps us build faster cars, smarter gadgets, and better lives. Now think about your favorite toy. One day, your friend brings a flying, talking toy. Suddenly, your old one feels boring. Mr. Philippe Aghion and Mr. Peter Howitt explain this. It's called creative destruction. New ideas replace old ones, and that's how we move forward. So yes, new things may make old ones fade, but they make everyone's life better, Anand, from better medicines to smarter tech. And our turn. In economics terms, Mokyr explained how knowledge drives long-term growth. Aghion Howitt showed innovation's cycle. New ideas replace old ones, boosting productivity. Together, they showed that growth happens when we learn, invent, and adapt. Stay connected for more simple explanations of big ideas.